This song is called Southbound Stranger. It's about Hotel Del Coronado in San Diego. There's like a infamous ghost story. Kate Morgan was the name of this young lady who rode the train down from LA with her lover, but at some point something happened where they got off the train, whatever. She checked into Coronado Hotel Del by herself under like a random name or something. And anyway, she was like found dead on the beach, like gunshot wound. They don't know if it was suicide or what. But obsessed with the story, and my husband and I actually stayed in the room that she stayed in. So we got all fucked up that night and like wrote the song. On a train, southbound train to San Diego. Goodbye, lover, gotta let go. I'm heading down to Coronado, 'cause you left me in LA. And I'll be waiting for you here, my dear. And you'll be haunting me in December. And I'll be on the beach. Hope you remember me. Don't wanna be that stranger. 5 days go by, no sign of you, no sign of no one. Checked in under the name of someone. I don't know what to expect. What's next? But I'll be waiting for you here, my dear. And you'll be haunting me in December. And I'll be on the beach. Hope you remember me. Don't wanna be that stranger. Down on the beach, sand in my toes. I'm all alone, nowhere that anybody knows. I guess our love was never meant to be, and I'll forever stay a seaside mystery. You'll be haunting me in December. I'll be on the beach. Hope you remember me. Not done. I bought a gun. Not sure if I know how to use one. Tell me that there's nothing to it. Just pull the trigger, you can do it. You left me in LA. No, that's it. That's it. For real. Thank you.
Good job. No, I've got to pick. In whatever it was, 2004, 2003, when Bush was running, Mike called me up and was like, yo, I'm going to do it the right way. Hey, dude, listen up. If you fucking, if you write a fucking song for this comp, I'm doing a comp. It's about how like Bush shouldn't fucking win again. And if you fucking do it, I'll make your fucking song the first one on the comp, okay? Just write a fucking kick-ass song. And I was like, yeah, okay, I will, right? You know, like
went into the music mind.
because I was also at the time in the vibe of making fun of literally everybody else that was doing punk rock that wasn't us. You know, and so And so I called the song.
That's called.
It's called Decanting the Insalubrious Cyborg Midnight Part 7, right? Because I was like, which is, the first part of it is making fun of Cannibal Corpse a little bit, but the second part is totally making fun of the Wolfman band, Coheed and Cambria. Right?
Thank God someone said something.
Yeah, and I was like, yo, if we're gonna be on this fucking anti-Bush compilation put out by Fat, you know, and Mike's like, it's gonna have a lot of great bands on it, you know, it's gonna be awesome, you know, fucking, and fucking. And I was like, dude, I'm gonna put a huge ass title on this song. Nobody's gonna be able to skip this first song. And then Mike calls me up and he's like, well, you know, man, the Foo Fighters and Green Day wanted to be on this comp. So actually, you guys are gonna be like song 27 on the second comp.
Yeah, buddy! I meant that shit.
Yeah, you definitely meant the second part for sure.
You were the first band I called. What am I supposed to do?
Yeah, well, so this is that song. And also, I just want to stress this. I can't stress this enough. My songs aren't like about like dark, tragic shit, and I don't play any good chords. They're just about doom, but like in like a broad, like sort of
That's not dark.
corporeal, ethereal sense.
That's why I put you 8th and not first.
Oh no. Everybody's been awesome tonight. I'm wasted as my time. It's been sitting idly by, drinking in this shithole while you all went on outside. We did fall asleep. It's a whip-ass day to dream, but I'm still capable of saying what I mean. Yo, the times are changing, but we all stay the same. Faded and faded, now nothing remains as we breathe our last breaths. We kiss our goodbyes. Remember us buried alive. I'm wasted like these city blocks, these blockbusters and parking lots. I'm feeling like this parking space I'm sealed up to see what rots. Well, times are changing, but we all stay the same. We faded and we faded, now nothing remains. Hold on, this ship is sinking and I don't know what to do. We die in fire and water. Yo, I want to be with you. Oh, Captain, my captain, I fought hard till everything was lost. Your fortune did I seek. Remember, but buried in deep. Remember, buried in the deep.
Those are cool chords. What are you talking about? Beautiful song.
And I wrote a song last night because I can't sing as well as you guys. So, well, you know, sorry. So, but this is an important song.
It is.
Last night. So it's called The Alcoholics Alphabet. It's a sing-along, but not till I say. Okay? Hey. Waiting for John to... If you're sick and tired of all those pesky, that's the wrong key. Sick and tired. If you're sick and tired of all those pesky DUIs, be a responsible adult and try to memorize ZYX WV UTS RQP ONM KJI HGFE CDBA. If you can't touch your nose, walk in a straight line. Learn the alcoholic alphabet and you'll do a lot less time. Everybody! ZYX WV UTS RQP ONM KJI HJFE CBA. Now we know the ABCs. We can drink and drive whenever we fucking please. Just the ladies.
YXWVUTSRQP.
Now the drunks. It's the alcoholic alphabet. If you don't learn to sing this song, you deserve what you get.